Are we ready? Go. I'm John. I'm the chief engineer at Build It Yourself.
I'm Brent. I'm the webmaster at Build It Yourself, and I like doing really cool design work, especially 3D graphics.
Hi guys，我是陈思霞，然后我也是来自中国，今天就帮大家翻译一下，如果大家有什么不懂的话。我最喜欢做的事呢是 combine arts and engineering， 就是把艺术和工程结合，所以 that's all about myself.
Every good engineer, before they start building, they should understand what the problem is and what our mission is.
对，谁想读一下？举手举手，热情一点。那就那个穿红衣服的小伙子。
Put the pen point through.
一起去，就像这。To integrate the robot to Lego WeDo system. 然后加上阴影，就像 John 现在做的。
3D.
这个是我们怎么做那个圆锥形，就是可以用一个长方形的黄色的纸。
这个感应器可以去给马达提供动力，就是它给一个信号，马达就会有动力。然后你们可以设定不同的动力级别，比如说。
There's 4 students, the young and number 2 group, I think. Number 1, number 2 group.
Okay.
These 4 girls.
All right. Fantastic. Can you tell us your names? We think your project is tremendous.
你们可以在网上参加我们的这个课。
Another one.
Oh my gosh. I love it. Bravo. Bravo. I love it. That's so creative. That's so creative. And look at the graffiti sign.
超厉害，超厉害。
Unbelievable. Guys, hot shot. Herb, these are amazing.
Cool. It's a very successful class lesson.
Yeah, I think so.
Happy to that.
Better than I would have expected, given the short time.
Yeah, only 2.5 hours.
Yeah, very, very.
Results are great.
So we got some really great WeChat videos here. Look at this. Excellent. They didn't copy us. They made their own solutions, which is really tremendous. I like your graffiti. Tremendous, tremendous. But our favorite is this one right here. Because it just looks, it's beautifully designed. It's been a pleasure building with you. I hope we'll have many chances to build with you in the future.